Every year, countless medical device startups face a terrifying reality. 89% of patent applications are rejected on the first review. This isn't just a statistic, it's a wake up call. If you fail to file your patents properly, you risk losing everything. Imagine pouring your heart, soul, and resources into an innovative device, only to find that your invention isn't protected. Patent eligibility hinges on how well you define your invention. If your claims are vague or poorly articulated, you're opening the door for competitors to swoop in and claim your hard work as their own. And let's talk about the USPTO backlog. Right now, the average wait time for a patent can stretch up to 24 months. That's 2 years of uncertainty, where your groundbreaking innovation sits in limbo, vulnerable to competitors who are ready to capitalize on your ideas. Every day you delay is a day your competitors can advance, leaving you in the dust. Relying solely on provisional patents is another dangerous pitfall. While they can offer temporary protection, they come with strict time limits. If you don't convert to a full patent within a year, your invention could be exposed and all your efforts could be for nothing. Weak or vague patent claims are a recipe for disaster. If your claims don't clearly define the scope of your invention, you risk having them invalidated or worse, not being able to enforce them against infringers. This is not just a minor oversight, it's a critical failure that can cripple your startup. And let's not forget the risks associated with DIY filings or inexperienced attorneys. Navigating the patent process is complex, and a misstep can lead to catastrophic consequences. You need an expert who understands the nuances of patent law, especially in the medical device sector, where the stakes are incredibly high. This is where Patent PC comes in. We specialize in guiding medical device startups through the intricate patent landscape. Our team has the specialized knowledge to ensure your inventions are not only protected but positioned for success. We navigate the complexities of patent filings, helping you avoid the pitfalls that could lead to failure. Don't wait until it's too late. The future of your startup depends on the actions you take today. Secure your innovation and protect your vision with Patent PC. Act now, and let us help you safeguard your startup's future.